Welcome to the Functional Behavioral Assessment presentation. We learned about functions of behavior, but how do we identify them? To identify the variables maintaining a behavior, we must conduct a functional behavioral assessment. What is a functional behavioral assessment? It is a process for identifying the variable maintaining behaviors. This can be an informal or formal process. The results have implications for treatment. Informal methods for conducting a functional behavioral assessment include interviews conducted with significant others involved in the individual's life, including family, friends, teachers, therapists, etc. Ongoing review of the data is always ideal when looking to assess behavior. Finally, the process of ABC data collection is very useful in identifying possible antecedents and consequences to the target behavior. Do you remember the ABC chart? ABC data collection involves recording events that occur before and after the behavior, jotting down notes regarding an individual's behavior in the form of the three-term contingency. Now, if we look more closely at the ways in which we might conduct a formal behavioral assessment, one way is to systematically manipulate variables relative to the target behavior. This is sometimes referred to as an experimental functional analysis. An experimental functional analysis is used to identify the underlying functions of behavior. During a functional analysis, several contrived situations are presented in order to assist in the identification of the functions of the target behavior. Following the assessment phase, the data that has been collected is analyzed. Using the data gathered from ABC data collection, antecedent variables assist in revealing possible triggers for the behavior, while the identified consequent variables assist in revealing possible functions for the behavior. Now that we have observed behavior, collected data, and conducted a functional behavioral assessment, we have gathered all the necessary information to write the behavior support plan. Thank you for watching. Now we are getting ready to practice the BSP.